Oh boy, having cleared out all the weeds and grass around this backside, I noticed that this corner is already starting to sink into the mud, so they did not reinforce it at all.
Woke up at dawn, boots on my feet. The rooster's crow is my morning beat.
Welcome to Oak and Acorns. Thanks for watching.
All right, I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself project and how to take a temporary foundation and put a near-term or mid-term solution. So the prior owner, when I had purchased this container, had put cinder blocks with some wood to elevate about 20 inches because it does flood here. Ideally, it'd be good to have a full concrete foundation or pilings, concrete pilings that go into the ground. Ideally, it'd be good to do that foundation and then put the storage container on it. Since this is what I have, what I'm going to do is put 6 points of contact, so 3 on each side, with level it out, and we're going to jack it up with these big Husky 30-ton jacks to kind of get a little bit of height. After jacking it up, we're going to dig out some dirt and put in some rock and sand for drainage. Then we have these stepping stones. This is 16 by 16 inch, 2 inches thick, and then 1 foot by 1 foot. And then we have these concrete piers, which are usually used for decking, but we're going to use these on the container. So stay tuned, I'll show you the finished product. All right, first one is jacked up. And then I got second one over there, so 2 jacks, lifting up the front side. Got the first one placed here. So I got some sand and gravel, leveled it out, measured it in height. So 20 inches exactly. And then before I lower this, I'm gonna get the second one done and then lower this side down and go and jack up the back side and get the middle and the back. Oh boy, having cleared out all the weeds and grass around this backside, I noticed that this corner is already starting to sink into the mud, so they did not reinforce it at all. They just basically put cinder blocks on top of a ground that gets very moist, very wet, and with a lot of weight, it just sinks in. So we're gonna jack it up, pull out this back corner, clear it out, put sand and gravel down, pack it, and then put our pier blocks in, and then same to this side, and keep going back. Okay, all wrapped up. So 3 points of contact on each side. These were some old structures that I found, just old cinder blocks that were underneath. We don't plan to put anything heavy in here, so just some light storage for hunting gear and other things, but so not a lot of weight. So this is a good kind of mid-term, near-term solution. Long-term obviously would be a solid foundation, but I'll put a link in the comments below for materials. Good luck.
Thanks for watching.